It is time for us to understand where do you store these cryptos, how do you do a transaction, and this section about wallets is going to answer all those questions. Let's dive deeper to understand crypto wallets. Now, let's get into wallets and understand what is a wallet, right? And what are the types of wallets used in cryptocurrencies, right? So then we will enter into exchanges and understand how to buy and sell cryptos and things like that. Before which we'll go through wallets in detail. Okay. Now, what is a wallet? In real world, if you look at your life, right, the current situation, traditional banks, etc., you can find that you have a wallet and you can store your actual physical currency into the wallet. Okay, $100 notes, 100 rupee notes, and all of these things as notes, as paper, you can store it in your wallet. Or take a bank locker. That also is type of a wallet, right? Like a long-term wallet, right? So you go to a bank locker, fill in that with fiat currencies, and it will stay there because these fiat currencies have a physical form, right? But come to cryptocurrencies, they are also currencies, right? You need a wallet to keep that, safeguard that, and spend that money to people and everything, right? But it is in complete digital form, so you need online or let's say digital wallets to do that. Okay. Now, these wallets are software programs where you can store your cryptos. Okay. But whenever I say store your cryptos, right, take it with a pinch of salt. Okay. Because you are not ideally taking money out and storing it in the wallet. Okay, a wallet will just track your ownership in the blockchain, right? Why do I say that? Right, let's just look into this. Okay, so there is this blockchain. Okay, there is this blockchain called as Bitcoin or something. Okay, any blockchain that for that matter, right? Take this blockchain, and here it will be like, okay, Raghu owns 5 bitcoins. Okay, how do I own 5 bitcoins? Because in this system there is a transaction which says A sent to Raghu 5 bitcoins, right? So after this transaction ends, I got 5 bitcoin. There might be another transaction here which again says, Raghu got 5 bitcoins. Okay, Raghu got 5 bitcoins. Okay, and this 5 will become 10 now, right? So what does a wallet do? Let me try and draw a wallet. Okay, this way, right? This looks like a wallet. Okay, so this wallet, what does it do is it keeps a track of the transactions, right? It keeps a track of the transactions. That's all. You cannot take out this 5 bitcoin from the network and store it inside the wallet like you do with money, right? You withdraw money in ATM, keep it in your wallet, and that is under your control completely. No, you cannot do that with a online or digital based wallet, right? So a wallet is a software program that keeps a track of your money, right, in the blockchain, right? So that is something that you need to understand and keep in mind whenever you talk about wallets in cryptos.